Embedding a forum in your GoDaddy website allows you to create a community space where visitors can ask questions, share ideas, or discuss topics related to your business or niche. While GoDaddy's website builder doesn't offer a built-in forum, you can easily embed one using third-party platforms like Discuss, Mute, or Forumotion. Here's how. Choose a forum platform. Select a third-party forum service. Discuss, great for comment-style discussions. Mute, modern and fully embeddable. Forumotion or ProBoards, full-featured forum hosting. Create an account and set up your forum on the chosen platform. Get the embed code. Once your forum is set up, navigate to the embed or integration section of your forum platform. Copy the HTML embed code provided. Embed in GoDaddy. Log into your GoDaddy website builder. Go to the page where you want to embed the forum. Add a HTML section or custom code block. Paste the embed code and click Apply or Save. Publish your website. Click Publish to make the changes live. Your form should not be accessible directly on your GoDaddy site. This method lets you build a dynamic, interactive space without custom coding.